how to make friends and users I follow can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make friends and users I follow can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points and then click settings and now privacy, and then just go down here and you will find who can see my inventory. Click on it and click this one here, friends and users I follow, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and then see you in the next video.